the magic ring, we are going to put the tail of the yarn at the bottom of coil. The hook insert the circle and pull yarn through. Then we grab hold this part here. Hook yarn again and get through the part on the hook. So we get a slip knot. Next, we are going to 5 single crochet into the circle. Insert our hook into the center of the circle, yarn under and pull through from the circle. There are 2 loops on the hook and hook a yarn through the 2 loops. After finish the first single crochet, we should put a stitch mark under the both loops that form the V. Just weave them according to the above methods.